In this video, we're making some pattern weights. Let's get to it. First, you're going to cut your fabric of choice to 8 inches long by 4 inches wide. Then you're going to cut any sort of ribbon that you choose to 4 inches as well. Cut as many pieces as you want pattern weights. So if you want 5 different pattern weights, then you need 5 pieces of fabric and 5 pieces of ribbon. Next, you will pin or clip the ribbon a ½ inch from the edge of the fabric. You will fold over the fabric so it is right sides together, and then pin the ribbon in place. Next, take your pieces to the sewing machine and sew the top and side seam, but leave the bottom seam open. Find the center fold and cut a notch so that you can match the side seam to the center fold. Pin in place if you need to. Then take it back to your sewing machine and sew 2 straight stitches, leaving the middle open. You will need the middle to be open so that you can flip the weight inside out, and then you will also fill it through this hole with rice. Use your finger or a corner turner to flip the fabric inside out. Make sure that the corners are all turned outward and pointy. You can now use a funnel to fill your weight with rice. Make sure that you are not overfilling it, because if it is overfilled, it will be more difficult to close the seam. Use a needle and thread to whip stitch or blind stitch the seam closed so that the weight is fully secure and the rice is inside. Congratulations, you have made your first weight. Repeat the steps for all the other pieces that you cut out.